Welcome. I am genuinely so glad you're here. This is your central hub for your entire study journey, and honestly, walking learners through it is one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to guide you through everything on this page myself, step by step, so you understand exactly what your exam preparation involves and how to use every tool here. I'll explain what the test actually measures, answer the most common questions people ask about registering and scoring, walk you through each skill area you can practice, introduce the free tools and community waiting for you, and finish with a simple plan to get started right now. You don't need to click a single thing, just relax, keep scrolling at your own pace, and I'll narrate this whole page for you, from top to bottom. Let me explain exactly what this exam is and why it matters so much. It's the world's most widely recognized English language test, used by universities, employers, and immigration authorities across the globe to check whether you can study, work, and live comfortably in an English-speaking environment. There are two main versions: the academic version, if you're heading to university, and the general training version, if you're migrating, applying for secondary education, or gaining work experience abroad. Whichever path applies to you, everything on this page has been organized to support your exam preparation, skill by skill. Let's go through the questions people ask most often. First, why take this test at all? Because it's accepted by over 11,000 organizations worldwide, and it can open doors to study, work, and visa applications in countries like the UK, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. It's built to measure how you actually communicate, not just grammar rules on paper. Next, which version should you take? If you're applying to a university or professional registration body, that's the academic path. If you're migrating, applying for secondary education, or building work experience abroad, that's general training. Now, the format itself. There are 4 sections. Listening takes about 30 minutes with 40 questions across 4 recordings. Reading is 60 minutes with 3 passages and 40 questions. Writing is 60 minutes covering 2 tasks. And speaking is an 11 to 14 minute face-to-face interview with an examiner, sometimes scheduled on a separate day. Altogether, that's around 2 hours and 45 minutes of testing. As for where and how you sit the test, there are over 1,600 test centers in more than 140 countries, with both paper-based and computer-delivered options, and test dates running up to 48 times a year. Registering is simple. You visit the official test center site, choose academic or general training, pick your date and location, fill out the application, pay the fee, and you'll get a confirmation email with all your details. And finally, scoring. Each section is graded on a 9-band scale, from Band 5, a modest command of English, up to Band 9, a fully expert user. Your overall score is simply the average of all 4 sections, rounded to the nearest half band. Understanding these numbers now will help you set a realistic, motivating target from day one. Now let me walk you through where to focus your practice. There are 5 main areas here. Listening gives you full practice tests, audio scripts, and strategies for every question type. There are 10 complete practice tests waiting for you. Reading offers passages, question banks, and step-by-step techniques to build both your comprehension and your speed. Writing lets you practice both academic and general training tasks, with sample answers and practical tips you can apply immediately. Speaking gives you topic lists, practice prompts, and model responses so you build real confidence talking naturally. And the blog is where I'd point you for weekly strategy updates, band score breakdowns, and insights from examiners. It's worth checking back on regularly, even after today. Here's something I think you'll really value: a speaking partner program. If you're serious about your speaking score, you register through a simple form, get matched with someone at your level and target band, and choose one of 3 weekly practice slots, Saturday, Monday, or Thursday, morning or evening, to practice Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, or all 3 together. It's safe, organized, and completely free. Below that, you'll find a full starter pack with a planner and checklists, video lessons with practical walkthroughs, a weekly blog for fresh strategies, and a personalized study plan generator that builds you a week-by-week schedule based on your current level, your target band, and how many hours you can realistically study. And right now, it's free for the first 30 people who try it, no login needed. And finally, there's a whole community waiting for you. A group for daily tips and questions, plus a shop with additional tools and study kits if you want to accelerate things even further. You are not studying alone here. Let me walk you through exactly how to begin, in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Pick the skill area that matters most to you right now, based on where you are and where you want to be. Step 2. Take a diagnostic test using the checklist, so you know precisely which areas need the most attention. Step 3. Follow a structured practice plan rather than studying at random. Consistency beats intensity here. And Step 4. Track your results over time, and don't be afraid to revisit the topics that gave you trouble. Repetition is exactly how mastery happens. If you ever have questions or want a study plan built specifically around you, that support is available anytime. Just reach out or revisit the questions I already walked you through earlier. And whenever you're ready, there's a button right below to jump straight into your exam preparation. And that's a wrap. You've just had a full walkthrough of your entire preparation hub, and I am so proud of you for sticking with me through it. Before you go, a few quick things. If anything I covered today left you with a question, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I genuinely love hearing what you're working on. If this helps you even a little, give it a like, share it with a friend who's on the same study journey. Facebook group too. It's a warm, supportive community, and daily motivation is right there waiting for you, along with a video channel full of strategy playlists, model answers, and real test simulations. And don't go anywhere just yet. Follow along, because next time we're starting a brand new topic and skill together. Now go pick your first skill area and get started. I believe in you, I am rooting for you every step of the way, and I cannot wait to see you smash this exam. Good luck, and I'll see you very soon.